magically join with water. Let's see what it's from ages 4 and up. You can see I've done those ones so far. They are still drying, and then I'm doing the puppy. It's easy. Let's do it this way. Let's do green. It also comes with a sprayer, orange and red beads, blue and black, a pen, and that is sticky that you can put like your beads on and then move them to. And then it comes with that picture, a snail, and a bee. And it also tells you which color. This one belongs with this one. The blue belongs with the blue one, and yeah. And it also comes with these stands as well. So let's do the green. The puppy is really cute. So how's your week have been gone, guys? My week has been doing pretty awesome so far. These are really tricky to do, but it says 4 and up, so yeah. So to all my new viewers out there, I will post videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Alright. Puppy's done. So what you do, you spray it with water. Oh, evenly. No, wrong way. Not working either. Alright. And it comes with instructions too. And these here do not get wet. Okay. Let that set aside. Let that. It did get a little bit wet, but that aside right there. Okay. These ones here, that's supposed to be a bone and that's supposed to be a fish. So this has been sitting for a while. So let's see. Kind of sticky. There's the fish. Oh, there. Okay. Nope. And that's the bone. There. They are very sticky still. So I would wait another 10 minutes. There. But I'm going to put it back on. Yeah. Actually, put back on here. On a piece of paper to dry. There. And this is all wet. Yeah. It is very wet still. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys, to show you the pen. And, oh, yeah, to show you the pen. And it comes with green beads as well, as you can see. I might have to spray this one again. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a friendly comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. I already said that already. When I get to 100 subscribers, I will be picking a winner and giving them a package in the mail. Hopefully you're allowed to. Yeah. So, oh, it would be really cool if one of my subscribers did a surprise package for me, and then I will do a surprise package for them as well. Like, very, like this size, or under, or about that size. Something small. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Bye.